Do you ever watch someone and think, I wish I could speak like them? Fluent, confident, natural. Well, what if I tell you you can speak like them? And even better, you can speak like your best version. Hi everyone, if you're new here, I'm Sunita Rawat and I help you improve your English in a practical and simple way. And today's topic is something that many of you secretly want: speak English like me. But let me be very honest, it's not about copying someone blindly, but it is about learning how to learn from someone effectively. Most of the learners do this. They watch random videos, listen to random podcasts, jump from one teacher to another, and then they say, I'm not improving. Of course, you are not, because your input is scattered. Imagine going to the gym and doing a different exercise every minute. Will you improve? No, same with English. So here is what you should do instead. Choose one speaker, one type of content, and stick to it for at least 3 to 4 weeks. It could be a YouTuber, a podcast host, a teacher, or even me. When you follow a person consistently, your brain starts picking up their sentence patterns, their tone, their vocabulary, their rhythm, and that's when the real improvement begins. Now, let me give you a very real example. Let's say you like the way Palki Sharma speaks: clear, confident, powerful vocabulary. But what most people do is they watch one of her random videos, then switch to someone else, and then something random. Please don't do that. Do this instead. Go to YouTube, search for Palki Sharma, subscribe to her channel, and for the next 3 to 4 weeks, watch her videos every single day. You can even search for her podcast, you'll find many. Now, don't just watch passively. Take notes of interesting words, useful phrases, sentence patterns, and after that, try framing your own sentences using them. And most importantly, after every video, you need to summarize that video in your own words. Even if it's not perfect, do it. And do this for 4 weeks and then come back and tell me your results. I bet you'll see a drastic improvement in your English. Now comes the most powerful technique: shadowing. What is shadowing? You listen to a fluent speaker, and after that, you speak along with the speaker. Not after them, but with them. That's the real way of shadowing practice. Okay, but for beginners, it's okay. They can speak after them because that's the initial phase. It's really very difficult for them to speak along with the speaker. So we can do this. For intermediate level speakers and above that level, I would suggest to speak along with the speaker. Play a short video, 30 to 60 seconds. Listen to that video very carefully. You can even write down the script. And after that, play the video again and speak along. Yes, you will struggle at first, you will feel weird, but that's when the real growth happens. Now, this is where most people fail. They only consume, they do not produce. Listening is not enough, watching is not enough, reading is not enough. You have to use the language. So, what you have to do after every podcast, after every video, after every read, summarize it in your own words. Even if it's broken English, even if it's not perfect, speak. Now, let me give you a simple routine. It's a daily practice plan. Watch a video, 5 to 10 minutes. Shadow a small part, 1 minute. Note down 3 useful sentences and then summarize the video in your own words. No overthinking, no perfection, just consistency. And remember this: English is not an art to be mastered, it's a tool to be used. So don't wait to become perfect before speaking. You become better by speaking. And if you really want to sound like someone, if you really want to speak English like someone, stop being random and start being consistent. And most importantly, start speaking. Because fluency doesn't come from watching, it comes from doing. So, at the end, if you really found this video helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one, and tell me in the comments, whom do you want to speak like?